crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today I am so excited to bring to you the unboxing of the April 2025 kit from Simon Says Stamp, and this one is called Butterfly Blossoms. I guess there was a delay in shipping out the kits this month, so I just got this, so it's a couple weeks late, but I still wanted to share it with you because this is a gorgeous, gorgeous kit. I believe at this point, the card kit is sold out, but you can always purchase all the pieces in here individually if there's anything that catches your eye. And I will link the kit and everything, the contents in the description box today, and I do have affiliate links. So if anything catches your eye, you could go check that out. And let's see. I love this one. I've been waiting and waiting. Woo! It's very exciting. They had a special surprise this month that if you're a subscriber to the card kits, then you get a free 49 in Market epoxy sticker set. So here that is. I find that the subscription to the kit is awesome because you're guaranteed that you're going to get one, and also if you don't like it for that month, you can just skip it, no big deal. And you can also add products in to your shipment at no extra charge for the shipping. It's just the flat fee. So it's a really good way to make sure that you can get the kit. And it's very flexible. So for this month, because I like to get the dies for my stamp sets, I was able to add in the die set to my order for no extra shipping. So this is extra, but I was able to add that into the kit. So here's the die set, and it cuts out all the sentiments and the images on there. And then we also get the Distress Texture Paste in Sparkle. So this adds a nice sparkly look to your project. Now let's see what we got in here. Oh, and we do actually get a map. We get the map. It's the map. Sorry. Take it back to my having to watch Dora the Explorer days. Anyway, here is the map of the Butterfly Blossoms. So this will tell us exactly what is included in this kit. So let's start at the beginning. So here is that stamp set. Look at this. I just cannot even take how beautiful this is. And the cool thing about this one is that they're all labeled F2, B2, B5, B1, because there is a coordinating coloring stencil, which is awesome because it makes it very easy to use and color these images in. And you can also use, markers, watercolors, whatever you're into, but I really like to do the stenciling. So there's our gorgeous set. I love the fonts on these. Like, oh, I could not wait for this to get here. And then, like I said, I had the add-on die set. So we have that. Let's see what else. The stencil set. So we have these, and these are labeled. I'll show you if we can see it. You see how the mark is on there on that butterfly, the B3. So that would coordinate. You go over here to your little set, and that would go with B3, and that matches it perfectly. So it's pretty foolproof on which goes where. Let's see what else. Oh, the paper. I'll get that back together later. Alright, we get how many pieces? 6 pieces of this paper. Wow, look at that. I love that. Ugh. Just a neutral on there. Oh, these flowers are great. Oh, it's very vintagey looking. We have some cut aparts. Oh, that's so pretty too. And this one. Oh, I love this page. Oh, so sweet, the little ones. Oh, and look at this field. Field of flowers. I love it. Oh, look at that. And so you can actually get these papers by themselves as well. This is the Paper Rose Bees and Butterflies printed paper. Let's see what else. Oh, we get the collage paper. This is the Tim Holtz. This is kind of like tissue paper. This is the Serendipity set. There's 30 pieces in here. And basically what you would do is you would use something like this collage medium, which also came in the kit, to glue this down. And you can, you know, tear off the edges and just put a little bit down. You can make this as your whole background. It's kind of like doing like a decoupage, or, you know, like when you put the glue down and then you put this down and then you put the glue on top of it. Like how you used to use like Mod Podge, you can use the collage medium for that. So let's see, we talked about the collage medium. We got the sparkle paste. And then we have the washi tape. So you get a 6-pack, and this is the Simple Stories Color Palette Warm washi tape. All different colors. Kind of a pink, red, orange, yellow, grainy, and kind of another pink. These are really pretty too. Trying to find the end. This one has birds and butterflies and kind of tickets on there. I like this one. This is a little bit brighter pink. It's got the gingham on there. Here's the red. Ooh, this one is gorgeous. If I could show it to you. Look at this one. Got strawberries, poppies, butterflies, music. Ooh. This orange one is interesting. Butterflies. Advertisements. The gingham again. I like how these are all different colors, so you can kind of pick a color that's going with your project and it'll match perfectly. And of course this yellow will very much go with this. So it's got lemons and flowers. Some advertisements. and the last one, I'm trying to figure out what, so it's kind of, I don't know. There's a lot of colors on this one. Maybe white. Green. Lots of them. Yellow, white, butterflies, daisies, roses. So, that one's really pretty too. Alright. What next? Let's see. We have one sheet of Simon Says Stamp Honey, and this is 100-pound cardstock. And then we have one sheet of Neenah Solar White, which is 110-pound cardstock. And then we have one Simon Says Stamp A2 size grocery bag envelope. And it has the peel and stick on that. And we have a coupon code. This is good through 4/15, so you got to get on that. It is we, W-E, love, L-U-V-U. So, we love you. You just need to make sure you spell it that way. And you can get $5 off of your order. And you get a lollipop. So this is a fabulous kit. Again, if you saw anything that you liked on here, you can purchase these separately. This paper is great. And we have the stencil, the die, this beautiful stamp set, the Washis, the Collage medium, the texture paste. We got a free gift this month. So there, it is the cost to what you get for these card kits is just unbelievable. So it's definitely a great value to buy all this together. All right, that is it. Come check me out over on Facebook. I post videos, cards, any crafty sales I come across. I have a brand new blog that I'm very excited. I finally got that all set up. And that is over at egidesigns.com. So anyway, and if you liked the video today, I would love to have you as a subscriber if you could hit that button. And alright, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have a great day. Bye-bye.
Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.